So it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm in Cornwall, and I'm going out for a training run along the Camel River. So that's about 18 miles, and should take about 4 hours. But thought I'd get up really early, run in the dark, because that's going to involve it's going to be part of running the Grand Union Canal. So yeah, got to get it done. So it's quite cool, really. Out here on the country lanes on my own, running, and then should get light in about an hour. And at the moment it's all downhill, down to the river, and then along the river. So not hilly at all today, besides this hill I'm running down. And yeah, trying to keep the running as novel and different as possible. And this is part of it. So another training run in the bag, and I think I now it's 22 weeks to go. So a lot more running ahead. So I'm 5 miles in. The sun is about to come up, well, in about an hour, but it's getting lighter and going well. So what I'm doing today is I'm running 4 miles, walk a mile, run 4 miles, walk a mile, do 5 mile groups, and save the legs and get to the end of this feeling fine. I'm capable of doing a lot more. So so far so good. It's going to get lighter and lighter. The world is waking up, and I'll check in when it's light, and I'll have the camera on me instead of on a dark path with a torch. So yeah, so far so good, nice and quiet. So as you can see, it's daylight now. Just done my next 4 mile run. Now I'm walking for a mile. So at the end of this walk it'll be 10 miles. About an hour and 45 done. So a pace that's quicker than I'll do the Grand Canal in, but it's nice and flat, running well. So yeah, so far so good. As you can see, it's just a straight trail. So pace is good, the timing's good, feel fine, nothing is tired or achy, and shouldn't be after 9 miles, but so I got my new running shoes on, already been put through the mud. They feel good. For some reason I can just get new shoes and run in them. So feet are strong, shoes are comfortable. I've only seen 3 people so far in the first couple of hours, so it's good to get up early and go and get it done before the day gets busy. And I'll check in when I'm coming up to 15 miles. Another 5 miles done, so 15 miles. Just gone through Wade Bridge, and as you can see, the sun is now fully up. It's a beautiful morning. So still on my 4 miles running, 1 mile walking. So coming up to 15 miles, I should say. But keeping the pace, feeling good. But 3 miles left, and well, 4 miles left, should I say. And Wade Bridge was a bit busy, a few people up and about, but now back on the camel trail, and it's nice and quiet. So 4 miles to go. It's 1 mile of walking, 3 miles of running. I'm going to be done. So a nice training run while I'm away on holiday. Got up early, got it done, or getting it done, and I can enjoy the rest of the day. Life is good. I have to say, we come down here every year at this time of year, and Camel estuary, and the tide, you can see the tide is out. But it's just beautiful, really is. It's quiet, a lot of nature, and it's a beautiful place to come and run, I have to say. I would like to do this more often. Beautiful place and a beautiful day for a run. So just completed 18 miles to Padstow, and Erica and Alfie have caught up with me for a ride home. But what a beautiful start to the day. Camel estuary. So 18 miles done, 3 hours 44. 22 weeks to go to the Grand Union